and my name's Faith. This is my mom and dad. And this is my little sister Lily and my baby sister Arabelle. Welcome to our farm. Today we're making some easy flour tortillas. My parents are from Arizona, and they used to get a whole bunch of those homemade tortillas. And we can't stand those Mission or whatever brand you get, tortillas that are preservative filled. So today we're making some tortillas. We're gonna start by having a bowl and put flour, salt, and baking powder in. So we're gonna add in 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, and 3. So this is a pretty big batch, but about our normal one. Then 1 teaspoon salt. So this is a half teaspoon. Two of these. Half. 1. Then take a whisk together your ingredients, and it's kind of like a sifter when you're whisking together just the dry ones, because it's getting all those clumps out. Next, we're gonna add the lard. So lard is just animal fat, and it's 1/3 of a cup. So add a little bit of time. Yep. I'll add a little bit of time. Add a little bit of it at a time. And wash your hands so you can mix it with your hands. The last ingredient is hot water. We microwaved a cup of water. 1 cup of hot water in the microwave. You're going to make it until it's flaky. And then you're going to add the rest of your water. Okay, so you're just going to mix it until it's dough. Now let your dough rest for about 15 minutes. While you're doing that, clean up all your ingredients and do everything that you need to do. And we've got our dough cut up into like a pie or a pizza. Spray away. Like that. And then we got a floured surface. So now we need to make them look like tortillas. So you're going to take 1 piece at a time, roll it in a ball. I'm going to have to use a stir. Here, you could just watch my hands. Flatten it out. And you don't want to make it too thin, but not too thick. And we're making taquitos. So here's my first tortilla. Oh, and you can feel all the way around to see if any parts are thinner. And I just felt the parts. So I'm going to roll that out a little bit. more.
Qué bonita es la rosita cuando en el palo revienta. Qué bonita es la rosita cuando en el palo revienta. Más bonita es mi chinita cuando a mi lado se sienta.